Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the console and confirming internet access. This prevents delays. Once done, make sure your account email or phone and password are accessible so you can sign in immediately. If you use two-step verification, have your authenticator or phone ready to receive codes. Now press the Xbox button on your controller and move to the profile area. Select your profile tile to start the login process and trigger the credential prompt. You type your email or phone and then your password. Take a moment to check for caps lock or typos because failed attempts lock you out temporarily. After submitting, if two-step verification is enabled, expect a code texted or generated by your authenticator. Enter it promptly to finish verification. If asked, choose whether to keep yourself signed in. Select that only on a personal, secure console. Once accepted, the profile loads and your Xbox Live services begin initializing. You should now confirm that Xbox Live shows you as online and that subscriptions like Gold or Game Pass are recognized so you can access multiplayer. Once signed in, allow cloud saves to sync and glance at your friends list and achievements to verify everything loaded. If something went wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot the console and router, wait 60 seconds, then attempt sign-in again. This often clears network or temporary account session errors so you can log in successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.